CHSL, paper number 72. Then reasoning section, question numbers 26 onwards. What 26 one chestara? Now in this question number 26, tell me what is the information given. Now Jhansi, Rupa, Apurva and so on are the 5 friends, scored different marks in a subject. Hence, now it is based on comparisons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jhansi scored more marks than Apurva but lesser than Rupa. Now this is Rupa is here. And Ritvik scored more than Rupa. Now this Ritvik scored more than Rupa and Apurva is not the least person. As Apurva is not the least person, hence Apurva is here. Above this one Jhansi, then Rupa and Ritvik is here. Then who is the other person left over here? Anji. Then Anji is here. Then who scored the second highest? Now Rupa scored the second highest, that is choice to question number 26. Then the next one 27 onwards. 27th one chesarama 27. Then in this question number 27, it is based on calendars. 25th November 2002 Sunday. Manaku kavalsindi 20th December 2005. Em cheyali? First we need to find out 25th November and 2002. ఏ రోజు వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? సండే. దెన్ మనకి ఇంకా 20th December 2005. మనం చూడవలసింది 20th December in the same year, that is 2002. అదే ఇయర్లో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. Now 25th November 2002 Sunday, how many days are left over? ఇంకెన్ని రోజులు ముగిలే? 25 days అయిపోయినాయి. Hence 6 days. అవునా కదా? 25, 6 days 5 days. మన నవంబర్లో ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయి? 30 కదా? 25 పోతే ఇంకా 5 కదా? మరి 6 అంటే 6 అంటారేంటి? దెన్ 5 November. దెన్ December 20th అంటే ఎన్ని రోజులు చెప్పండి? 6. 5 + 6 11. 11 divided by 7 4. And finally 4 odd days. And 4 days to Sunday. ముందుకెళ్తున్నాం కదా November to December. And 4 days to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And finally 20th December 2002 ఏ రోజు వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 20th December 2002 and it is on Thursday. But whereas మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? 20th December 2005 కావాలి. Then the dates were same. Dates అయితే సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా? 20th December. ఇంకెన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి? గ్యాప్ 3 years. Now during these 3 years ఏమవుతుంది? There is 1 leap year and 2 non-leap years. 1 leap year అంటే 2, non-leap year 1 odd day, 2 into 1 2. Hence 2 + 2 4. ఇంతకుముందు ఇంకోటి చెప్పాను మీకు. Now ఈ 3 yearsలో ఎన్ని లీప్ ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1. Hence 3 + 1 4. మీరు అలా చేసుకున్నా you will get the same. Then hence 4 days to Thursday. 4 days to Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Hence what is your answer here? Monday. And it is given in choice 3, question number 27. సరిపోయిందా? Then 28th one. Now in this question number 28, how many pairs of letters are there in the word motivation, which has as many letters between them, both forward as well as backward? Now the word is motivation, MOTIVATION, motivation. Now in this one starting with what? M. And M, NOPQRSTUV, OPQRST, O2T, PQRSTUVW, TUV, isn't it? WXYZ, IJKLMNO, and V, ABCD, TUV, and that's it. Left hand side to right hand side, there are 2. And again in the reverse, N and O. N and O, there is 1. And NOPQRSTUVW, OPQRSTUVW, IJKLMNO, I2O. And so how many are there? More than 3. More than 3, that is given in choice 1, question number 28. Then next 29th one, we need to find out the mirror image to this. Now mirror image find out chesar indulo. Now tell me what is your answer in this case, mirror image. Now mirror image, this right hand side should go to the left hand side. అవునా కదా? Left hand side. Now among this one left hand side మనకి వచ్చేది ఇది ఒకటి ఉంది. That too it is, the length is different. అవునా కదా? And again the right hand side, if you observe here, ఇది మనకి ఏమైపోవాలి చెప్పండి? Right hand side రావాలి. Now ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. Hence what is your answer? Choice 4. The next coming to question number 30. Now in this 30th, how many floors are there? There are some 8 floors. Now 8 floors with 8 different persons living in 8 different floors. Now whenever the floors were given 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now these floors were like this. Then and 2 persons sit between R and P. P lives below R. And P lives below R. After R ki P ki mazda entamandi unnaro cheppandi. There are exactly 2 people. And P lives below R. A lives immediately below. A lives immediately below Z. A is immediately below Z means both these 2 persons must be together. But immediately above X. And immediately above X. Hence all these 3 must be together. Z, A and X. And more than 2 persons live below Z. But Z kanna kindana more than 2. More than 2 means minimum 3 persons were there below this one. And C and D lives on immediate floors. And P lives immediately above Z. Now P is immediately above Z or not? If P is there are 2 floors between P and R. Saripinda redam. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6, 7 were there. Then how many possibilities we have? And can we have R at this place or not? R, there are 2 followed by P. Next one Z, A, X. This is one possibility. Next possibility, R 7th floor undanukondi. There are 2, P will be here. Then Z, A and X. Now is second possibility, is it possible or not? And no, why it is no? A lives immediately, but immediately more than 2 persons live below Z or not. Ikkada em ayipoyindi cheppandi, exactly 2 persons below Z. And so this case is ruled out. Now we have left with it. Now C and D are adjacent to each other. Avuna kada? And C and D are adjacent to each other. Then now C ikkada unte D ikkada, C ikkada unte D ikkada unte C ikkada. Then who is the person left over? Only one more person who is left over is Y. Y must be at the bottom. Now who lives on the lowermost floor? Y. Y that is given in choice 1, question number 30. Once saripotunda 30. Then next one 31st. Now in this question number 31. Amma 31 chesara? Yes, how many of you have done this one? Yes, anyone please? Now what is the word we have? ASSIST. Now assist is the word, and in this one it is written as TNM. TNM. 6 letters ఉన్నాయి. 6 letters నుంచి 3 letters వస్తున్నాయి. By using 2 letters we are getting 3 letters. అదైతే క్లియర్ కదా? Then with the help of these two, ఈ రెండు వాడు మనకి T ఎలా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? The value of A is 1, S is 2, S is 20, S is 19. And 1 plus 19, that is 20, 20th that is 10. దాని వరకు సరిపోయింది కదా? Then coming to the second. ఇక్కడ 19 plus 9 ఎంత ఉంది? 28. ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చింది N వచ్చింది. అంటే 14 వచ్చింది. 28 నుంచి 4 ఎలా వస్తుంది? By 2. మనకి ఇక్కడ 28 నుంచి 14 రావాలి. Not 28 by 2. Hence sum of these 2 divided by 2. ఇక్కడైతే sum of these 2 divided by 1. మరి ఇక్కడేమవ్వాలి? Sum of these 2 divided by 3. 19 plus 20 ఎంత? 39. 39 divided by 3. 13. 13 that is same. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And sum of the first 2 letters divided by 1. Sum of the second 2 and next 2 pairs. Next pair is divided by 2. Next pair is divided by 3. And in the same way nerves. And nerves, N-E-R-V-E-S. Now in this word nerves, N and E. And 14 plus 5, 19. 19 that is S. And next one R and V. 18 plus how much? 22. 18 plus 22, 40. 40 divided by 2, 20. 20th that is T. And next one, and 5 plus 19, 24. 24 divided by 3, 8. 8 that is H. STH that is choice 3, question number 31. Then coming to this 32, now it is based on embedded figure. Now in this embedded figure, answer Japal. Now where can we find this one? Without having any rotation on it. Hence, now this is the slant line we have, isn't it? And at the same time, now is it happening here? It is not happening. Then next one, ikkada chudandi. Now this is the slant line we are talking about. Then we'll raskocha leda. Then now this is the element. Then you can raskocha kada midi. And so what is your answer? Choice for question number 32. Then coming to 33. Now in this 33, what is information we have? And Subi is facing towards east. He walks 20 meters. A is the starting point. From here he walks how many meters? 20 meters. Then turning left he moved for 15 meters. Left hand side he moved for 15. And then turning right he moved for 25 meters. Right hand side 25 meters. Finally, he turned right and moved 15 meters. Finally, turn right and 15 meters. So how far is he from the starting point? Now A is the starting point, B is the final. Now from A to B, tell me what is the total distance? 20 plus 25. Am I Japan and 45. 45 towards which direction? East. That is choice for question number 33. Then coming to this one, 34, Rohit remembers that his birthday is before 12th December and after 6th December. Now 12th and 6th December majority in our Japan is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And any one of these find us. And his wife remembers that Rohit's birthday is after 7th December. After 7th December and it cannot be on 7th. And his son remembered that Rohit's birthday is before 10th. Before 10th, these two were ruled out. On which day Rohit's birthday? Either 8 or 9. Either 8th or 9th, that is choice for question number 34. The next one coming to this 35. How many friends are there? There are some 6 friends. X, Y, Z, A, B, and C are the 6 friends we have. And these 6 friends went to vacation on different days. Z goes just one day before C. Now, how many persons are there? Now, these 6 persons on these 6 different days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And out of which, now Z goes one day before. Z goes before C. That means one day before the previous day. And Z goes before C. And next one, Z goes before C. And 2 days between A and C. Now, between A and C, how many? There are 2 days. And 2 days between A and C and A ki C ki majra in between, there are 2. And this is one possible. Or Z and C are asked 2 in between A and C, A can be here. A can be before or A can be after, 2 possibilities. And the number of persons going before A equals to the number of persons after B. Ma A ki munde ante mandi veltunnaru, B ki venagana ante mandi veltunnaru. And but they are not immediate to each other. A and B are not immediate. And Y goes just before B. Now Y is just before B. And Y is just before B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Y is going just before B ante inka mundu unde chance ledhu kada, then it will be 7. Kanuka manaki enni ravali? 6 ravali kabatti Y and B will be like this. Now B and A cannot be adjacent or not. This is ruled out. Saripinda leda? Ikkada manaki emayipoyindi? B and A are adjacent to each other. And again coming back to this one, and Y goes just before B. Y goes just before B. My ikkada teesukondi 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence A is here. Let us start from here. A is here. There is a blank. Z, C, and next one. Y goes just before B. Hence Y and B. Y and B. Because before A and after B there must be the same. And A and B are not adjacent to each other. Then tell me who is the person left over? X. Then how many persons are going on vacation between X and Y? In between X and Y there are exactly 2. Choice to question number 35. Then next one coming to question number 36. Now in this 36, answer 36 one. Now 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Some other digits. 2 plus 9, 11. 4 plus 5, 9. 11 plus 9, 20. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now 6 plus 7 is 13. That is choice 3, question number 36. Then coming to 37. Now in this 37, select the figure from among the options. And select the figure among the given options. Now in the first one we have 1. And second one 2. Next one we have 4. Next one we have how many? 1, 2, 4, 8. Next one is 16. Now we need to have 16 elements. 16 elements, second same elements. That is choice 1. Saripindi kada? Different unnai kada? Different elements undali. And different elements unnai. First number must be 16 kada. And 16 manaki anni okate elements undali. Indulo same element 16 ekkada unnai? 3, 3, 3, 11 unnai. And so next we need to have 16. Now among this one choice. Maybe from here onwards, malli elements repeat avutunnayemo. Minus 16, next to 7, next to 32, e vaste 64 here raవచ్చు. Done? Next one 38. Now in this question number 38, MHF related to TOM. MHF related to TOM, MHF and related to what? TOM. MH related to TOM and the same way as SUZ related to following the pattern WLB. WLB is related to what? What is the answer in this one? Now, M and T, what is the difference? Plus 7. And H and O, 8 and plus 7, 15. Now 6 plus 7, 13. Plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. And similarly here again, plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. Now W plus 7, 23 plus 7 is so much? 30. 30th that is D. And 12 plus 7, 19th that is S. 2 plus 7, 9. 9th that is I. Now D, S, I, that is choice 1, question number 38. Then coming to this 39, X dollar Y. My X dollar Y means X is the father of Y and so on. Then, now this is the expression N hash A dollar B into D. N hash means N is the mother of A. Now this N is the mother of A. And next one A dollar. And A is the father of B. A is the father of B. And in the same way B into D. Now B is the sister of D. And take the information B is the sister. Now with the help of this one, if A has only one daughter, that is B. D must be the son. Then, if A has only one daughter, then what is the question here? Then how is D related to N? Now N's son's son. Son's son is grandson. Grandson, that is choice 3, question number 39. Then 40th question is called pillow and so on. Then which will spread on the floor? Now floor మీద మనం వేసేది ఏంటి చెప్పండి mat. And mat is called bed sheet. Mat is called bed sheet, that is choice 2, question number 40. The next one 41. 41 చెప్తారు 3 and 8, what is the difference we have? 5. And 8 plus 7. Now here it is 9. 5, 7, 9, odd numbers. Next 11. 24 plus 11, 35, choice 4, 41. Then next 42. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are seated around a square table facing the center. Now how many persons are there? 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 8 persons are seated around a circular square table. And 4 at the corners, while 4 sit in the middle of each other, 4 sides. And B is sitting at one of the corners of the table. Now what is the information given? B is at one of the corners. And you can take this B at any one of these 4 corners. And 2 persons between B and C. Now 2 persons between B and C, there are 2 different possibilities. And this is 1. And what is the next one we have? And 2 persons between B and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here B is here. Now 2 persons between B and C, C is here. And C faces C. C and E are opposite to each other. Here again C and E are opposite to each other. H is third to the left of C. H is third to the left of C. 1, 2, 3, H is here. Now in this case, B and H must be in the same place, not possible. And next one, and H is sitting opposite to F. H and F are opposite to each other. And E and D are immediate neighbors. And D is sitting at the center of the table. D is here, E is here. Now who is the person left over? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now G is the person left. Then who is facing D? G, that is given in choice 3, question number 42. The next one 43. Now it is based on syllogisms. Some students are teachers. Some students are teachers. Now these are the students which are teachers. Some students are teachers and some teachers are what? Tutors. Now some teachers are tutors or no. Then some tutors are students. No. And some tutors are not students. That is definitely true. Some tutors are not students, definitely true. And you have to range all tutors are students and Japan. All tutors are students and all these tutors are students. All tutors are students. Then, and alternate diagram true, previous conclusion form. All tutors are students true. And you have to some tutors are students true. And yes. Hence, what is your answer here? Either 1 or 2. Done with this? And so choice for question number 43. Then coming to this 44, now 44th one. Now in this question number 44, figure folding and punching. Now in this one from here to here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఏమైపోయి చెప్పండి కిందకు వచ్చింది కాబట్టి పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. అండ్ పైకి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే ద సేమ్ ఫిగర్ కనుక ఎలా రావాలి? Now these two are opposite. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And in this one, again from here to here mirror image. ఈ రెండు mirror image, ఈ రెండు mirror image. Then answer choice to question number 44. Then coming to this 45, and it is based on equation. Now select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace and balance the following equation. Now starting with the first, into. Now this is equal, minus, divided by. Now 3 divided by 9 and 10,000 1 by 3. Now 3 minus 1 by 3. Osunda manaki answer? No, hence that is ruled out. Next one, into, and 2 divided by 3 and plus equal to 1. 18 2 divided 18 into 2 by 3 plus 3. Now 3 ones 3 how many times? 3 6. 6 into 2 12 plus 3 15 rawali. But it's here it is 9, that is ruled out. Next one 18 divided by 2 9, isn't it? Now 18 divided by 2 9. Next one 9 into 3 and equals to, and it is minus. It paka manaki enta vachindi minus 6 vastundi. That is again ruled out. And finally 18 divided by 2 and into 3 and next one equal to, now 3 into 9. Saripenda? 2 ones 2 nines. 9 into 3 27, 3 into 9 27. Hence choice for question number 45. The next one 46th one chesarama. Now does not belong. Does not belong means now we need to find out odd one. Then in this one, amma cheppani answer em vastundi? Chesara? Ela vastundi fourth one? Now here sum of the digits 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 1 5. Here 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 5 10. 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 1 9. And 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 3 7. Except choice 4. And in the remaining sum of the digits is same. Choice 4 is the answer 46. Then 47. Now in this one we need to find out the mirror image and select the mirror. It is not the mirror image, water image, because mirror is placed at the bottom. Kindan place chesam kabatti pai nunchi kindaki ravali, and it must be the water image. Then tell me what is your answer in this case. Amma cheppandi em vastundi answer? Chesara leda? Now mirror image. Ee circle manaki ekkadiki ravali, kindaki ravali, and circle kindaki ravali left hand side. Idi undi, idi undi. Then between these two. Now ee rendu mandi same. Arrow manaki ela undali, ila undali. From top to bottom. Here it is bottom to top. This is ruled out. Choice for question number 47. Then 48. Now in this 48, fourth. And fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. And its code is SUI-GPV. SUI-GPV. And in the same way, manual. M-A-N-U-A-L. Now in this word manual, and its code VBM NBO. VBM NBO. VBM NBO. And in the same way, what is the code to the word credit? C-R-E-D-I-T. Credit. Then, now the word is divided into two equal parts. F can accelerator G, O-P, U-V. R-S, T-U-H-I. Word is divided into two equal halves and to each of this one. One that is added and written in the next term. C plus 1 and the D, R plus 1 S, E plus 1 F, D plus 1 E, and I plus 1 J, T plus 1 U, EJU, DSF, EJU, DSF, that is choice 1, question number 48. Then 49th one. Now in this question number 49, 49th one. Now, how many elements are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 18. Now 18 ఉన్నాయి. 18 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. మా 6 into 3 చేద్దాం, బికాస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ మనకి రిపీట్ అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ బి ఇన్ ఆల్ ద కేసెస్, అండ్ సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏముంది? సి. ఇక్కడ సి వచ్చింది. బీసీబీ ఏబి, బీసీబీ ఏబీబీ, బీసీబీ ఏబీబీ, బీసీబీ ఏబీబీ, బీసీబీ ఏబీబీ. Then what are the letters that is missing out? C, B, B, C, B. Now C, B, B, C, B, that is choice to question number 49. And finally question number 15. How many persons are there? And 8 persons seated around the circular table facing the center. Now there are some 8 persons who are seated around a circular table. All the 8 persons are facing towards the center. And F sits to the immediate right of D and third to the left of A. F is to the immediate right of D and third to the left of A. Third to the left of A is. F is to the immediate right of D, third to the left of A. G sits third to the left of D. 1, 2, 3, G is seated third to the left of D. D who does not sit next to E. And D is not adjacent to E. B sits next to G. B sits next to G, B is sit. And B sits next to G but not, B sits next to G but not next to D. And next one. C does not sit either next to either D or A. C is not adjacent to D or A, C is. Now C is sir, E cannot be. F sits to the immediate right of D, G sits to the left of A, D who does not sit next to E, D is not adjacent to E, E is. Now if E is sir, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is the person. Then what is the position of H with respect to C? 1, 2, 3, third to the left. Now third to the left, that is given in choice 3, question number 50. Done with this? Now this is about paper number 72, reasoning section, question numbers 26 to 50. Now, Saripenda, any doubts on here? All the 3 topics were completed? Quant, English and reasoning. Now you can leave the class.